A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am teacher Zainab. I am teaching in Divisional Public School and Inter College Sahiwal. Today I am here with Social Studies lesson for class 5. By the end of this lesson, students, you all will be able to understand the main elements of the map, differentiate among the mentioned elements of the map, and finally analyze the importance of each element of the map. Dear students, in this lesson, we will discuss the main 6 elements of the map and we will analyze their importance for the map one by one. Students, here are some questions about the last taught lesson. And the first question is, what is meant by a map? It is a plan drawing of a part or whole of the earth on a piece of paper. Simply, you can say drawing some image of the earth on the paper is called a map. The next question is, what are the features of the political map and the physical map? The answer is political map shows the cities, provinces, capitals, etc. And the physical map shows landmarks like mountains, plateaus, deserts, seas, valleys, etc. Let's start the content of today's lesson. And the first element is directions. Directions are vital to a map. East, west, north, south are the basic or cardinal directions. The directions help us to know the location of a place with reference to another. Dear students, directions बहुत important है हमारी daily life में. All of you know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. सूरज मशरिक से निकलता है, मगरिब में गुरूब होता है. आपको इस यूनिवर्सल फिनोमिना को समझने के लिए डायरेक्शंस को यूज करना पड़ता है. In the last lesson, we have discussed the political map of Pakistan and we have studied the features of political map of Pakistan with the help of cardinal directions. In routine or daily life, directions are very helpful during traveling from one place to another and from one object to another. Directions are measured by compass directions, and on the compass directions and all the standard map have north direction is on the top, south is at the bottom, east is to the right side, and the west is to the left. The next is title. Each map has a title. The title of the map indicates that this map is of which area, city, province or country. टाइटल हर मैप में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस रखता है. ये एक ऐसा कंपोनेंट है जो हमें ये क्लियर करता है कि ये पर्टिकुलर मैप जो है किस एरिया, सिटी, प्रोविंस या कंट्री का है. टाइटल की इम्पोर्टेंस मैप में वही है. जब आप कोई भी स्टोरी या लेसन रीड आउट करते हैं तो उस स्टोरी का टाइटल आपको हेल्प करता है कि आप उस स्टोरी के कंटेंट, प्लॉट कैरेक्टर या टू सम एक्सटेंट उसके मॉरल एलिमेंट को अंडरस्टैंड कर लेते हैं। इसी तरह आप टाइटल की इम्पोर्टेंस को मैप में समझ सकते हैं। ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द मैप, this is US map on the world map, and second map is distribution map, and its subject matter is famous industries of Pakistan. Through these examples, we can say title has been placed on the top of the map. It has large font. So title content, replacement or design are very important because it must be clear, attractive, and identifiable for the map viewers or map reader to answer the certain questions like what, where, when, and why. The next element is scale, the ratio between 2 points on the map and the same 2 points on the ground is known as scale. Scale मैप में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस हैसियत रखता है। हम स्केल के कॉन्सेप्ट, हम स्केल के एलिमेंट को इस तरह से अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं कि जिस तरह हम अर्थ का कोई भी इमेज उसके एक्चुअल साइज के लिहाज से पेपर पर ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते, इसी तरह जो रियल लाइफ में लोकेशंस या उनके जो डिस्टेंसेस होते हैं उनको मैप पर रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए एक रेशो फिक्स कर ली जाती है, क्योंकि हम उनके रियल डिस्टेंसेस को मैप पर ऐसा शो नहीं कर सकते। ये फिक्स रेशो किस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट की जाती है, एग्जांपल को देखते हैं। ऑन अ मैप, if distance between 2 points is 1 centimeter and distance between those two places on the earth is 5 kilometers, then the scale of the map will be 1 centimeter equal to 5 kilometers. आप यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल में आप इस एग्जाम्पल के जरिए ये समझ सकते हैं कि हमने जो 2 पॉइंट्स हैं स्केल पर, यानी 1 सेंटीमीटर के रेशो को 5 किलोमीटर के साथ हमने फिक्स किया है। एंड द नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट इज latitude and longitude. You have already learned the concept about the lines of latitude and longitude. Here we will discuss the importance of these imaginary lines on the map. The location of places on the earth is represented on a map with the help of lines, and these lines are called latitude and longitude. हम अर्थ पर किसी भी एरिया की लोकेशन को उस एरिया के लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्जिट्यूड की हेल्प से इजीली ट्रेस आउट कर सकते हैं। And the lines of latitude and longitude have particular directions and have different degrees. Let's discuss these lines, directions, and degrees. The parallel lines which are drawn on the globe from east to west are called lines of latitude, and they have 180 degree. The important line of the latitude is equator, and equator is 0 degree line of latitude which divides the earth into two equal parts, which are called northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The vertical lines which are drawn on the globe or on the map from north to south are called lines of longitude, and they have 360 degrees. The important line of the longitude is prime meridian, and the prime meridian is 0 degree vertical line which passes through the Greenwich city of England, and the prime meridian joins the North Pole to the South Pole. Let's discuss the location of Pakistan with reference to latitude and longitude on the world map. On the world map, Pakistan is located at 23.42 degrees to 36.55 degree north latitudes and 60.45 degrees to 75.26 degrees ईस्ट लॉन्जिट्यूड। हम वर्ल्ड मैप पर इन लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्जिट्यूड की डिग्रीज के लिहाज से पाकिस्तानी मैप को ट्रेस आउट कर सकते हैं। And the next is science. The physical and cultural features of the earth are shown on a map with the help of science. These are called convectional signs. Dear students, रियल वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारे फिजिकल फीचर्स होते हैं, लाइक रिवर, माउंटेन्स, फॉरेस्ट, कल्टीवेटेड एरिया एक्सेट्रा। इसी तरह कुछ कल्चरल फीचर्स होते हैं जैसे रोड्स, रेलवे लाइन, सेटलमेंट्स, पोस्ट ऑफिस, स्कूल्स, पार्क एक्सेट्रा। इन रियल फीचर्स को हम मैप पर उनकी एक्चुअल शेप के साथ ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते। इसके लिए कुछ सिंबल्स और साइन जो हैं वो मैप पर ड्रॉ किए जाते हैं, जो मैप की लोकेशन को फाइंड आउट करने में और उस लोकेशन के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करने में हमारी हेल्प करते हैं। हम इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस का अंदाज़ा इस बात से लगा सकते हैं कि बहुत से टूरिस्ट, विजिटर्स और फॉरेनर्स डिफरेंट कंट्रीज या रीजन में जब विजिट करते हैं तो उनके लिए ये पॉसिबल नहीं होता कि वो उस इलाके की लैंग्वेज को सीख सकें या अंडरस्टैंड कर सकें। तो मैप पर जो ये साइंस और सिंबल्स होते हैं ये उन्हें उनकी रिक्वायर्ड एरिया या लोकेशन को फाइंड आउट करने में भी हेल्प करते हैं और उस एरिया की इंफॉर्मेशन भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं। यही वजह है कि साइंस को यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज कहा जाता है, बिकॉज दे कैन बी अंडरस्टूड बाय ऑल। And the next element of the map is key. The different symbols, signs used in a map are shown in the form of a list on the map. This list is called a key. It helps to understand a map. Dear students, on the screen, you can see different color images with certain features. And in any map and on any map, with the help of these images, we can easily read the map or understand the map area. On the top, we can see a Pakistan map. This is administrative map of Pakistan. And with the help of the arrow, you can see here is a box which can show you Pakistan and its administrative division. If any person wants to know about any particular area or administrative division of Pakistan, he can easily take help from these colorful images. And the list of these colorful images is called key. The next map is Pakistan's physical map. If any visitor wants to knows about the highland or mountain areas of Pakistan, he will have to study the brown color area because it will help that person to, to provide information about mountain areas or the particular hill station or valley. So we can say key has great importance to study map. Now the time is for recapitulation. Here are some statements, and with the help of these statements, students, you will have to identify the correct element of the map, and this activity will help you to assess your learning learning scale. And the first statement is east, west, north, south are called. Yes, these are called cardinal directions. It indicates that map is of which area, city, province, or country. The second statement tells about the element of title. The ratio between 2 points on the map and the same 2 points on the ground is called, that element is scale. They help to locate any area on the earth. These are latitude and longitude. The final statement is they show physical and cultural features of the earth on the map. This statement shows which element? Science. Yes. Now we must move towards the home assignment. Here is an activity for you students. You must have to draw the important signs of the map on your notebooks and color them appropriately. Next is reading. You must read the Unit 1 geography very carefully. And the next is questions. You will have to write them on your notebooks and learn them by heart as well. The first question is write the main elements of the map. Second is explain the term scale. What is the importance of signs on the map? Define the following elements of the map. First is directions, second is title, and third one is key. Yes, students, hopefully you have picked up all the contents and terms about the elements of the map. Now here I want to advise you to adopt some healthy habits. You must value the time. You must focus on your basic required skills and focus on reading and writing skills. You must adopt healthy hobbies, healthy activities. You must be careful for your food, balanced diet. You must be conscious about the self hygiene, and very important, you must practice good manners. And all these things will prove you an outstanding students or star students, inshallah. That's all about today's lesson. Thank you so much. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.